Good morning, students. Today we see about the breeds of dairy animals. Okay, in previous class we see about what is in previous class we see about the pearl culture, then prawn culture, then animal husbandry and management. How we cultivate the pearl and how we'll cultivate how the pearl will be cultivated. Here first the in Toothukudi only they cultivated the pearl. Here the pearl oysters are found along the coast of the Kanyakumari and in the Gulf of Kutch. Which is the high quality pearl? The high quality pearl is obtained from the pearl oysters of genus Pinctada. Okay, high quality pearl is obtained as genus Pinctada. So here the pearl contains some composition. What are they? Water, organic matter, calcium carbonate, and some the other residue material. Okay. So next we see about the animal husbandry and management. Okay. Today we see about the breeds of dairy animals. Breeds of dairy animal. Here dairying is the production and marketing of milk and its milk products. Okay. So first, what is mean by dairy? Dairy means that words that related to milk and milk products. Here the dairy operation consists of proper maintenance of cattle, the collection and processing the milk and its byproduct. Okay, first if you want to the dairy operation means we have to maintain the cattle in a proper way and collect the process of milk and its byproducts. What is the byproducts of milk? Curd, then buttermilk, then what are the other things? Ghee, okay, butter, cheese, these are the byproducts of milk. Then there are 26 well-defined breeds of cattle. Underline that. How many breeds of cattle are there? 26 well-defined breeds of cattle and 6 breeds of buffaloes are in India. Okay, here the cattle are classified under 3 groups based on the purpose they serve to man. அது மேன்க்கு எவ்வளோ human beings எவ்வளோ அது பர்பஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கிறதுங்கிறத கிளாஸிஃபை பண்ணி it will be classified into 3 groups. Okay, first of all they are dairy breeds or milch breeds. Okay, dairy breeds or milch breeds. Then the second one, drought purpose breed. Then third one, dual purpose breed. Okay, first one dairy breeds or milch breed, then drought purpose breed, then dual purpose breed. Okay, first we see about the dairy breeds or milch breed. Here they are high milk yielders with extended lactation. For example, Sindhi, Gir, Sahiwal, Jersey, Brown Swiss, Holstein cattle. Okay, here this kind of breed contain a high amount of milk. Okay, high amount of lactation. For example, in Tamil Sindhu Madu, then Jersey Madu அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்களா. Okay, so this kind of variety, this variety of cow have high milk yielders. Okay, so this is called as the dairy breeds or milch breed. Next we see about the drought purpose breed. Okay, here the bullocks are good for drought purposes. For example, Congayam Malvi. Here in drought purpose breed, bullocks, okay, they use the bullocks are used for the drought purposes. For example, Congayam and Malvi. Then the third one, dual purpose means for both it contain milk and for drought. Okay, so cows are meant for yielding more milk and bullocks are used for better drought purposes. Okay, so this is called as the dual purpose breed. For example, Angol and Haryana, these are the example for the dual purpose breed. Okay, so see the figure 12.12 different breeds of cattle. This is the Gir, then Congayam, then Angol. Gir is the example for dairy breed or milch breed. Congayam is the example for drought purpose breed, and the Angol is the example for dual purpose breed. Okay, so you all understand. Here first of all, breeds of dairy animals means dairy. What is meant by dairy? Dairy means the word that is related to milk and its milk products. Okay, here if you want the dairy operation means we have to maintain the proper cattle. Okay, proper cattle, and we have to collect and process of milk and its byproduct. Okay, here there are how many different breeds are there? 26 different breeds of cattle and 6 breeds of buffalo are found in India. Okay, here based on the purpose the cattle are classified into 3 categories. What are they? Dairy breeds or milch breed, then drought purpose breed, then dual purpose breed. Okay, then what is the example for dual purpose breed? Angol and Haryana. Then what is the example for drought purpose breed? Congayam and Malvi. Then example for dairy purpose breed? Sindhi, Gir, Sahiwal, Jersey, Brown Swiss, Holstein cattle. Okay, have you all understand? Okay, next we see about the do you know box. Vector breed is the smallest breed of cow as per World Guinness record. Okay, it is the very smallest breed, so they get the World Guinness record. Okay, that average length is 124 centimeter, height is 87 centimeter. Okay, its origin is Vechur village, Kottayam district, Kerala. It will be first found in Kerala. Okay, it produces the large amount of milk in relation to the food consumption. Okay, depending upon the food consumption, it produces the large amount of milk. Then India is the largest producer of milk globally. Then India has many popular breeds of cows and buffaloes. Okay, next the prominent indigenous cow breeds in India. What are the cow breeds in India? Already we find Gir, Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, Halikar, Amit Mahal, Kilari, Congayam, Bargar, Amblachari, then Pulikulam, Alambadi, Tarparkar, Haryana, Kankrej, Angol, Krishna Valley and Dioni. Okay, these are the major cow breeds in India. Okay. Next, to meet the milk demand of the growing population, milk breeds are preferred by the farmers in small scale farms. Okay, if you want to meet the milk demand of growing population, the milk breeds are preferred by the farmers in small scale farm. Goats are also used all over India for supplementing deficiency in milk production. Okay, so some of the breeds of cattle that are good milkers are Jamuna Pari in Ganga, Jamuna riverine tract, Beetle in Punjab, Barbary in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, these are the good milkers. Okay, these are the good milkers. Next, what are the common diseases that affect the cattle? Okay, what are the common diseases that affect the cattle? So here some of the common diseases are there. A healthy animal eat, drinks and sleep well regularly like the human beings. Okay, here the healthy cattle appear bright, alert and active in their movement with a shiny coat. Cattle are affected by a large number of diseases. Here the cattle in ill health appear dull, restless and change posture frequently with a drop in milk yield. The main diseases of dairy cattle are rinderpest. Underline that diseases: rinderpest, foot and mouth diseases, cowpox, hemorrhagic fever, anthrax. These are the main diseases that cause the dairy cattle. Next we see about the uses of dairy product. Okay, what are the uses of dairy product? Okay, we drink the milk. Then what are the other dairy product? Buttermilk, then curd, then ghee, then cheese, then these are the dairy product. These are all contain the rich in calcium, isn't it? Yes. Then next, meat. Okay, we eat the meat also. We all not eat, but some people they eat the cow meat. Okay, cow meat. Then goat meat we eat, isn't it? Yes, goat meat. Then manure. Okay, manure, it is used for the manure. That cow dung it's very very much useful for manure. What is mean by manure? Manure means fertilizer. Okay, next the land management. Land management means வயல்ல உழுறதுக்கு மாடை யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, so this is called as the land management. So next today we see about the uses of dairy product. First, milk product. Milk is produced by the dairy animal, which is an emulsion of fat and lactose. Milk also contains enzymes which are destroyed during pasteurization. Milk is a rich source of vitamin A, B1, B2 and deficient in vitamin C. Due to its high nutrition value, it serves as a complete food for infant. Dairy products such as yogurt, cheese, butter, ice cream, condensed milk, curd, and milk powder processed from milk make dairy a highly forming attraction. So these are the uses of milk product. Then meat is Meat is rich in protein and also contain many minerals like iron, zinc, vitamins and selenium. It also contain vitamin needed for the human diet. So it is also used as a dairy product. Okay, then land management. Here the grazing of livestock is sometimes used as a way to control the weeds and undergrowth. Grazing என்னது மேயிறது. Okay, புல் மேயிறது என்னது ஒரு land management. Okay, then manure can be spread on agricultural field to increase the crop yield. Okay, next we see, so these are the uses of dairy product. What are the uses of dairy product? Milk products, meat, land management and manure. Okay, next we see about the poultry farming. Okay, what is mean by poultry farming? கோழி பண்ணை. Okay, this is called as the poultry farming. Not only கோழி பண்ணை, வேற என்னெல்லாம் வளர்ப்பாங்க? வாத்து, then ஈமு கோழிலாம் வளர்த்தாங்கல்ல, வான்கோழி. Okay, these are all called as the poultry farming. Okay, the word poultry refers to the rearing and propagation of avian species. Okay, avian species such as chicken, ducks, turkeys, geese, quail and guinea fowls. The most common and commercially farmed birds are chicken and ducks. Okay, the most poultry farming is related to chicken and duck. Then poultry farming is essential for the purpose of meat, eggs and feather production. Okay, why they why they make the poultry farming? Because of their meat, egg and feather production. Okay, next the commercial poultry farming is also profitable in this part. We are discussing about an overview of the chicken and duck breed farming and practices and its disadvantages. Okay, in this heading poultry farming we discuss about the how we form and practices the chicken and duck. Okay, so first the type of chicken breed. There are more than 100 breeds. The commonly formed chicken breeds are categorized into 5 based on the purpose for which it is formed. They are egg layer, broiler type, dual type. Like the already we see the cattle. The cattle are classified into 3 types. What are they? Dual purpose, then drought purpose, then dairy purpose, isn't it? So like that here also this chicken breeds are classified into egg layer, broiler type, dual type, games and ornamental type. Okay, so first we see about the egg layer. These are formed mainly for the production of egg. This kind of chicken breeds are maintained for their formed for their egg production. Okay, so for example Leghorn, this is the most popular commercial breed in India and it originated from Italy. Okay, they are small, compact with a single comb and wartless with white, brown or black color. They mature early and begin to lay egg at the age of 5 or 6 months. Okay, இது என்ன பண்ணும், ஈஸியாக ரொம்ப ஏர்லியாகவே மெச்சூர் ஆயிரும். அப்புறம் முட்டையிட ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு 5 to 6 monthலேயே என்னதாயிரும், இது it started to lay the egg. Okay, hence these are preferred in commercial farms. They can also thrive well in dry areas. Okay, it can also survive to live in the dry areas. Okay, so this is the most popular commercial breed in India. Okay, it is originated in Italy. Okay, then next one, Chittagong. It is the breed chiefly found in West Bengal. Okay, it is also a egg layer type. It is found in West Bengal. They are golden or light yellow color. Okay, they are golden and light yellow color, but the leghorn is white color. Okay, here the beak is long and yellow in color. Earlobe and wattlers are small and red in color. Here they are good egg layers and are delicious. This kind of this variety of egg will be very delicious. Okay, tasty. Okay, so this kind of this chittagong egg is very delicious. So egg layer consists of two types of chickens. What are they? Leghorn and Chittagong. Okay, Leghorn is originated in Italy and Chittagong is originated in West Bengal. Okay, next we see about the broiler type. Okay, these are well known for the fast growth and soft quality meat. Okay, broiler type we consume only for their meat. Okay, so here the example for the broiler type is white Plymouth Rock. Okay, white Plymouth Rock. They have white plumage throughout the body. It is commonly used in broiler production. This is an American breed. Okay, this white Plymouth Rock is a American breed. It is a fast growing breed and well suitable for growing intensively in confined farms. So this is the broiler type of breed. Next we see about the dual purpose breed. What is meant by dual purpose breed? These are for both meat and egg production. Okay, so this is called as the dual purpose breed. For example, Brahma. It is a breed popularly known for its massive body having heavy bone. Okay, it contains heavy bones. Okay, it contains heavy bones. Then well feathered and proportionate body. Okay, Peacock is one of the important breed character. It has two common varieties, namely light Brahma and dark Brahma are there. Okay, then next see the figure 12.13 different types of chicken breed, Leghorn hen and Leghorn cock. Okay, Leghorn is the egg layer. Okay, is the kind of egg layer. Then white Plymouth Rock hen and white Plymouth Rock cock. Okay, this is used for the broiler type. Okay, then Azil hen and Azil cock. Then light Brahma hen, light Brahma cock. This is the dual purpose breed. Then silky. Okay, this is then ornamental variety. What is meant by ornamental variety? சும்மா அழகுக்காக பெட்டா வளர்க்கக்கூடிய அந்த இதுக்கு பேர் தான் ornamental type. Okay, so the silky is the ornamental type. Next we see this Azil hen and Azil cock is used for the game breed. Okay, game breed means Sunday koli. Okay, the next we see about the game breed. Since the ancient time, the special breed of roosters have been used for the sport of cock fighting. Okay, they are used for cock fighting. Here Azil, this breed is a white or black in color. The hens are not good egg layers but are good in incubation of egg. Okay, these are not egg layer but it will be incubate the eggs. Okay, adai kaakkum. Okay, முட்டையிடாது பட் என்ன பண்ணும், அடை காக்கும். It is found in all states of India. Azil is noted for its pugnacity, high stamina and majestic gait and dog fighting qualities. Okay, although a poor in productivity, this breed is well known for their meat qualities. Okay, here this is also used for their meat. Next we see about the ornamental breed. Already I said ornamental breed means it will be grown for pet. Okay, so ornamental chicken are reared as pet in addition to their use for egg production and meat. For example, silky. It is a breed of chicken has a typical fluffy plumage which is said to feel like silk and satin. The breed has numerous additional special characters such as black skin and bones, blue earlobe and 5 toes on each foot. While the majority chickens only have 4 foot, but this kind of silky contain 5 toes. Okay, they are exhibited in poultry shows and come out in various colors. Silkies are well recognized for their calm, friendly deportment. Silky chicken is especially simple to maintain as pets. Okay, so these are the types of chicken breed. Okay, how many types of chicken breeds are there? Totally 5 types of chicken breeds are there. What are they? If egg layer, broiler type, dual purpose breed, game breed and ornamental breed. Okay, then what are the example for egg layers? Leghorn and Chittagong is the example for egg layer. Here the Leghorn is originated in Italy and Chittagong is originated in West Bengal. Next, broiler type. Here what are the example for broiler type? White Plymouth Rock. Okay, white Plymouth Rock. Then this is an American. This white Plymouth Rock is an American breed. Next, dual purpose breed. Dual purpose breed means they are formed for both meat and egg. So this is called as the dual purpose breed. For example, Brahma. Next, game breed. Here it is used for the sports of cockfighting. Okay, for example, azil. Next, ornamental breed, it is used as a pet, not for their egg production and meat. Okay, here example, silky. Okay, next we see about the types of poultry farming. Next we see about the types of poultry farming. There are different methods used to rear both broiler and layer chicken. The poultry farming or free range farming, organic method, yarding method, battery cage method and furnished cage method. Okay, there are different types of poultry farmings are there. What are they? Free range farming, organic method, yarding method, battery cage method and furnished cage method. Okay, among these, battery cage method is widely used in large scale poultry farm. Okay, so the free range, organic and yarding methods are eco-friendly and the egg produced by such farming practices are preferred in the market. So this is our eco-friendly. What are the eco-friendly? Free range, organic and yarding. These three kinds of methods are eco-friendly method. Their eggs are produced for such farming or practices are usually preferable for their market. Okay, then next, what are the stages involved in rearing? Okay, what are the stages involved in rearing? There are some steps involved in rearing of chicken. First, the selection of best layer. Okay, first we have to select the best layer. An active, intelligent looking bird with a bright comb, not obese, should be selected. Okay, first we have to select the best layer of chicken. First, active, intelligent looking bird. We have to select the active and intelligent looking bird with a bright comb. Okay, that comb will be bright color, not obese. Okay, that not obese should be selected. Then second, selection of eggs for hatching. Okay, selection of eggs for, we have to select the eggs for hatching. The egg should be selected very carefully. Egg should be fertile, medium size, dark brown shelled and freshly laid eggs are preferred for their rearing. Here the egg should be washed, cleaned and dried. Okay, next, incubation and hatching. Okay, first என்ன பண்ணனும்? First we have to select the best layer of chicken. Okay, next we have to select the egg. Okay, now we already select the egg. Now this is the period for incubation. Okay, we have to incubate that eggs. Okay, and hatching that egg. Okay, here the maintenance of newly laid egg in optimum condition till hatching is called incubation. Okay, we have to maintain that egg at one particular temperature, that is called as the incubation. The fully developed chick emerges out of an egg after an incubation period of 21 to 22 days. Okay, we have to incubate the egg about 21 to 22 days. Okay, after 22 days the fully developed chick will emerge out of the egg. There are two type of incubations, namely one is natural incubation and artificial incubation. What is meant by natural incubation? Natural incubation na and 22 நாளும் கோழி அடக்காக்கும். Okay, that is called as the natural incubation. Okay, in natural incubation method only a limited number of egg can be incubated by a mother hen. And the mother hen will be incubated only a particular amount of egg. Okay, but in artificial incubation more number of egg can be incubated in a chamber. Okay, it will be incubated in a machine. That machine is called as the incubator machine. Okay, here more number of egg will be incubated at a certain time, at a particular time. So this is called as the artificial incubation. Then next we see about the brooding. Okay, next one, brooding. So here the stages involved in rearing, we see about this. What are the stages involved in rearing? Okay, what are the stages involved in rearing? First stage we have to select the best layer of chicken. Then second step we have to select the egg for hatching. Then third step, now the egg will be selected. Now we have to incubate the eggs and hatching. Okay, so these are the stages involved in rearing. Next we have to see about the brooding. Here, caring and management of young chick for 4 to 6 weeks immediately after hatching is called as the brooding. Okay, it can also be categorized into two types, namely natural and artificial brooding. What is mean by brooding? Brooding means we have to care and manage the young chicks for 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, so that is called as the brooding. It can also categorized into two types. One is natural brooding and the another one is artificial brooding. Okay, next one, housing of poultry. To protect the poultry from sun. Okay, அதோட ஷெட் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, it will be protected from the sun, rain and predator. It is necessary to provide housing to poultry. So poultry house should be moisture proof, rat proof, and it should be easily cleanable and durable. Okay, sun, it will be prevented from the sun and rain. Then it will be rat proof and moisture proof. Then it should be easily cleanable and durable. So these are the housing of poultry. Okay, next, poultry feeding. Here the diet of chick should contain adequate amount of water, carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. So these are the poultry feeding. Next we see about the poultry products. Okay, what are the poultry products? The main product of poultry farming is for meat and egg. We already know that, isn't it? Yes, in India the primary aim of poultry farming is to obtain the egg. The major reason is for obtain the egg. The egg and poultry meat are the richest source of protein and vitamin. Okay, so that only we are form the poultry. Okay, next, poultry byproducts. Okay, what are the byproducts are present in the poultry? Okay, the feather of poultry bats are used for making pillows and quills. Okay, then dropping of poultry can be used as manure in field. The droppings are rich in nitrogen, potassium and phosphate. அந்த கோழியோட இறகுகளை எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? தலகாணி தைக்கிறதுக்கும், அப்புறம் கோயில்ஸ்னால் அந்த கால் மிதி, அப்புறம் அழகு சாதன பொருட்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. Okay, that feathers are used for the some decorative things. Okay, decorative material. Okay, then droppings of poultry. Okay, droppings of poultry means that birds excretory product. Okay, that will be used as a good manure in field. அது என்னதா இருக்கு? It will be act as a good fertilizer. Okay, so that droppings contain rich in nitrogen, potassium and phosphate. Okay, a number of poultry byproducts like blood meal, feather meal, poultry byproduct meal and hatchery byproduct meal are used as a good sources of nutrient for meat producing animal and poultry. So these byproducts supply protein, fats, vitamins and good amount of mineral. So these are the poultry byproducts. Next we see about poultry diseases. Okay, already we see the cattle diseases. Here we see the poultry diseases. Ranicate, coccidiosis and fowl pox are some common poultry diseases. What are they? Ranicate, coccidiosis and fowl pox. Okay, these are the some common examples for common diseases for disease caused by the poultry. Okay, poultry farming. Next we see about what are the benefits of poultry farming. Okay, what are the advantages of poultry farming? It does not require high capital for construction and maintenance of poultry farming. We have to construct one poultry farming means there is no more money will be required. Okay, it will be maintained at a low cost. Then it does not require a big space. Then it ensure high return of investment within a very short period of time. நல்ல வருமானம் கிடைக்கும். Okay, then next, it provide a fresh and nutritious food and has a huge global demand. It provide the employment opportunities for the people. Okay, it also provides some employment opportunities for the people. So these are the advantages of poultry farming. Okay, then see the box. Chickens communicate with more than 24 vocalization, each with a distinct meaning, including warning their friends about different types of predators or letting their mothers know whether they are comfortable. Okay, then next we see about the duck farming. Okay, next we see about the duck farming. Here duck is an aquatic bird. Already we know that it is an aquatic bird and forms only 6% of our country's poultry population. Okay, there are about 20 breeds of ducks are there. Okay, how many breed? 20 breeds. 20 breed means 20 varieties of ducks are present. Okay, The native one include Indian runner and silent meta. Underline that the native one include the native one is Indian runner and silent meta. The exotic breeds include Muscovy, Pekin, Islexbury and Camphor. What is meant by exotic breed? It come from the other countries. Okay. Then domesticated duck have been derived from the wild duck named mallard, that is Anas boscus. Farming duck is profitable as it can be combined with aqua farming practices. Next, the peculiarity of ducks. Okay, the body is fully covered with oily feathers. Okay, that feathers will be very oily. They have a layer of fat under their skin which prevent it from getting wet. They lay egg at night or in the morning. The duck feed on rice bran, kitchen wastes, waste fish and snails. Eat. What are them? The ducks feed the rice bran. Okay, rice bran. What is mean by rice bran? The rice wastes. Okay, that is called as the rice bran. Then kitchen wastes, then waste fishes and snails. Okay, so the duck feeds on these kinds of things. Okay, then next, the types of breeds. There are 3 types of depending on the purpose for which it is formed. They are meat productive duck breed, egg productive duck breed, and breed for both meat and egg production. We already know that what are they? Meat productive duck, egg productive duck, for then dual means both meat and egg production. So next we see about the what are the advantages of duck farming. Okay, they can be reared in small backyard where water is available and need less care and management as they are very hardy. They can adapt themselves to all type of environmental conditions and are breed for feed efficiency, growth rate and resistant to diseases. Okay, so that only they form the duck also. Okay, it will be easily adaptable to any environmental conditions. Okay, so okay students, have you all understand this lessons? This lesson will be completed. Okay, 11th standard zoology book will be completed. Here today we see about the what are the dairy breeds. Breeds of dairy animals. Okay, here the breeds of dairy animals is classified into 3 categories. What are they? What are they? Dairy breeds are milch breed, then drought purpose breed, then dual purpose breed. Okay, then next we see about the what are the common diseases of cattle. Okay, next we see about the what are the common diseases of cattle. Then what are the uses of dairy product, milk product, then meat product, milk, meat, land management, and it also acts as an fertilizer, that means manure. Okay, next we see about the poultry farming. Okay, here also the poultry farming is classified into 5 types. What are they? Egg layer, then meat layer, so that is called as the broiler type. Okay, egg layer, broiler type, then dual purpose breed, then game breed, then ornamental breed. Then what are the examples for egg layer? Leghorn and Chittagong. Okay, here the Leghorn is found in Italy and the Chittagong is originated from West Bengal. Okay, then next we see that broiler type. What is the example for broiler type? White Plymouth Rock. Then dual purpose breed. Dual purpose breed means it is for both meat and egg production. Okay, for example Brahma. Next we see the game breed. It is used for the purpose of sports, that is called as the cock fighting. Okay, for example Azil. Then ornamental breed example Silky. Okay, next we see the types of poultry farming. Okay, here the types of poultry farmings are free range farming, organic method, yarding method, battery cage method and furnished cage method. Okay, out of these the battery cage method is widely used in our country, widely used in poultry farms. Okay, here the free range, organic and yarding methods are eco-friendly, so the markets are mostly preferred for this kind of eggs. Okay, then next we see about the stages involved in rearing. What are the steps involved in rearing? Okay, what are the steps involved in rearing? First we have to select the best layer of chicken. Okay, next we have to select the best quality of egg for hatching. Next the incubation period. Okay, incubation and hatching. Next we see about the brooding. Brooding means we have to care the young ones for 4 to 6 weeks after the hatching. That is called as the brooding. Here also the brooding is classified into two types. One is natural brooding and the another one is artificial brooding. Okay, next we see about the housing of poultry, then poultry feeding, then poultry products, then poultry byproducts. Then we see about the what are the major diseases that causes the poultry. What are they? Ranicate, coccidiosis and fowl pox. Okay, so these are the common poultry diseases. Then last we have to see about the benefits of poultry farming. What are the advantages of poultry farming? Okay, then finally we see about the duck farming. Then what are the peculiarities of ducks? Then what are the types of breeds? Then advantages of duck farming. Okay, so this lesson will be complete. This lesson was completed. Have you all understand? Okay students, so this is the time for your homework. Take page number 129, 7th unit. Already I give some 5 questions. I hope you all studied that question and write in your note. Okay, today I give another question. Okay, that is 19th question. Okay, today you would write the 19th question. Right ventricular wall is thinner than the left ventricular wall. Why? Okay, the 19th question. Then 20th question. 19, 20. 20. What might be the effect on a person whose diet has less iron content? Okay, so already I give 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. Okay, so these 3 questions you have to write one time in your note and study this question. Okay, study and write. Okay, 19, 20 and 21. Okay students, thank you.